My Tail's Not Tired by Jana Novotny Hunter, illustrated by Paula Bowles. Come on, little monster, said Big Monster. You must be tired after your busy day. No, I'm not, said Little Monster, quick as a wink. My knees aren't tired. My knees have lots of bounces in them. Big Monster smiled. Show me. So boing, boing, boing went Little Monster's knees until they had no more bounces left. Big Monster clapped. I bet your knees want to rest after that. Yes, but my bottom doesn't want to rest, Little Monster replied. My bottom wants to wiggle jiggle. Big Monster nodded. Of course it does. Show me. So wiggle, 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 jiggle went Little Monster's bottom until there were no more wiggles left. What a fast dance, said Big Monster. You bottom must need to sit down after that. Yes, but my tail doesn't need to sit, Little Monster insisted. My tail needs to swing, swing, swing. Big Monster groaned. Ugh, show me. So wee, wee, wee went Little Monster's tail until it had no more swings left. That tail must be getting sleepy now, suggested Big Monster. Well, maybe a tiny bit, but my back won't lie still. It has to roly-poly around. All right then, show me. So roly-poly-oly-o went Little Monster until there were no more rolls left. Spectacular rolling, Big Monster said. That tired back must need rubbing. And Big Monster rubbed Little Monster's back over and over again. Was that a yawn? Big Monster wondered. No, growled Little Monster. My voice isn't tired yet. Well, really? You better show me. Rah, 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 roared Little Monster. Oh, Big Monster cried, what a scary monster. It's only me, just your little monster. So it is. Your voice must need a rest after all that roaring. Yes, but my feet aren't tired yet. My feet have jumps inside them. Show me. Surprise! Little Monster jumped like a jack-in-the-box, and Big Monster was surprised. Now that has to tire me out, Big Monster. That has tired me out, sorry. Big Monster yawned. How about you? Little Monster flapped both arms. Not my arms. My arms need to fly like a jet plane. Big Monster sighed. Ugh, show me. So zoom, zoom, zoom went Little Monster round and round the room, landing hard on Big Monster's lap. Goodness, Big Monster gasped. Every bit of you must be tired after all that jetting about. Little Monster's horns wobbled. Yes, but my eyes aren't tired. My eyes want to open and shut. Open and shut. What do you think is going to happen, guys? Open, shut, shut, shh. He's finally asleep.